If this is your first time setting up GoHighLevel or connecting your domain so you can get your website up and running, then you found the right video. I'm going to go through the quick steps showing you how to get that done. All right, guys, so let's get this party started. These are the 3 things you're going to need to get started, at least with the process that I'm using. You're going to need to have your domain either purchased. You can buy it from Namecheap. That's where I bought it. I'm going to end up moving this over to Cloudflare. So I'm going to show you that process as well. And we need to have a Cloudflare account, Namecheap account, and a GoHighLevel sub account. You need to be logged into the sub account that we're actually going to connect this domain to, okay? So first things first, we're on Namecheap here, and you're gonna go ahead and find a domain that we're gonna use, and you're gonna click Manage, okay? And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna move the Nameservers from Cloudflare over to Namecheap. That way it directs to Cloudflare. So the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna come to Cloudflare here. We're gonna add our website, and our domain name is TechWiz Automations. As you can see here, hit continue. All right, and once we got that process done, this is totally free, guys. If you're starting off, you can just get this done for free. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna come down here and we're gonna copy these name servers and we're gonna move them over to Namecheap here. As you can see, we're gonna put custom DNS, go here, paste that one, come back here, copy this other one here. Oh, copy that, come back out here, and then paste it here. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit save. That's the first part, okay? Now after that, it should take about a minute or 2 minutes for it to update. It says it can take up to 24 hours, but I've noticed it's pretty fast. As you can see here, you'll get this whenever it is ready. Okay, so now when we're done with that part, the next part is we're gonna go ahead and add the records from GoHighLevel to Cloudflare. Okay, so we're gonna have to go to our GoHighLevel here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click on settings here. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and go and click on domains. And once we've clicked on domains, add domain. And here's where you type in the domain that we're gonna be using. You'd wanna add that too, hit continue. Now, if you have Cloudflare already connected, it might try to automatically do it, as you can see here. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna just find out the records manually so you guys can get a better understanding of what we're actually doing here in case you don't have Cloudflare. Okay, so let me simplify this here a bit here. You guys can see it a little better. On our Cloudflare side, we're gonna go ahead and hit DNS, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit add record here. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and grab this A record here, copy that, okay, hit add there. And then I suggest removing this proxy status. It's giving me issues sometimes. And I know we don't need it for this particular use case, so we're gonna go ahead and hit save. And then once that's done, we're gonna go back over here and we're gonna, actually over here, add another record, except this time it's gonna be a Cname record, okay? And then we're coming back over here. Oh, copy this. And here we just put www, and then you go ahead and hit remove the proxy status like I had suggested earlier. Hit save. And there you go. That should pretty much be it. Okay, it might take a bit for it to actually update, as you can see here. So just keep refreshing it. Maybe take a few minutes and then it should read it and it should be good. As you can see here, it's connected. We don't actually have actually we do have a funnel we made. So we're gonna go ahead and just connect it here, TechWiz Automations. And then when people go to techwizautomations.com, it should automatically connect it as the homepage. So we click link domain. And there it is. And then now let's try it out. So let's go to TechWiz Automations. And there we are, guys. Our website is live. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. I hope my video was helpful and has been able to show you step by step how to get this process completed. I'm looking forward to producing more content for you guys. If you have any requests, just leave a comment below and then I'll see if I can make a video on it.